Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Therapy. Now today I'm going to be talking about two things. The first one is going to be the incident that took place in St. James, where 7 people, at least 7 kind of them they got already. Next thing you saw 8 and 9 couple days after. But reports are that at least 7 people pick up rounds. They will talk about it. Next thing I got address is a video that is now going around of members of the security forces, mostly JDF. Look like there's only one JSF officer there, but it's mostly JDF. Look like say them the snooze land. We've got to talk about it. I don't know. I have to big up My View TV reviews. That's actually his operation. You don't know them man there. Long time PIA. Big up yourself, bro. But look, we start in Moby. Springmount. A place when I really hear me talk about too often. But you see St. James, Moby, even when you think say, oh, I saw that the problem there. So drop us those over here, sir. Then everything alright now. St. James, acidity, all over the place. So, what go on? A long time, I look back and forth thing I go on. From matter of fact, even late last year, December last year, Dam Road man, go up a Springmount, and Springmount man them say, boy, they ain't going to them place, come fire rounds off and disrespect, you know them things already. 87 I like when man come to them place, come fire off rounds, right? Operation Launchback, in a Dam Road. Remember in January time when the year World people get shot, right? I think it was about 5 or 6 people. A young man by the name of Kenroy Sinclair lost his life. Right? 2 people end up losing their life. Right? Kenroy Sinclair and Dean Reed. So them 2 men they lose their life in January. Shortly afterwards, right? Police them, acting on intelligence, got the airport go pick up a man who was trying to leave the country. That man was none other than Chuchu. Right? Chuchu. Some people could have wanted to themselves, hold on, sir, you mean Chuchu, the actor? Chuchu, the actor, you see just up in a wig and them thing and skirt and from play, you mean with them say Chuchu gone turn 87? No, not that Chuchu. That Chuchu actually passed away, right? I think in about 2014 when them say he ingest some products and it didn't go too well, right? No, we are talking about a different Chuchu. You might have read about the Chuchu gang. Some people might hear the name Stinger. Well, you might try jump on a plane and take him off, lock him up. But you know them thing they got already. Even time man they behind bars, it don't really make a difference. Them can still listen to them orders, still do as them please. Right. So now, the man them run in on Dam Road again. But this time, them woke up in a resistance. Even though, just like before, they managed to shoot and injure a lot of people. Right. Guess the resistance, the big bad 87s them woke up in. One female police officer. But it get even spookier because that same police officer, her son, did end up get killed from the 87s them at Springmount earlier. Remember I tell you about the youth them where Springmount man them come kill, it was her son. So now, she literally get a chance to defend her son. She live close by to which part this latest shooting take place, right? So now, female squaddy versus Carol with a man from Springmount, man up with rifle and all kind of things. You would think it would end badly for the squaddy, right? But PIA, we don't know this guy already. What 87s afraid of the most? What 87s can't deal with and don't want to deal with? Shootout. Resistance. You mean to tell me say, one of favorite 87, one of favorite bad man, one of favorite top killer who love big up and talk about run off ends and do this too much people and have 45 dope people on them name. You mean to tell me say a group of them, Carol Loader man, woke up in a one female squaddy. Female squaddy take them on. Man them have rifle. You know, Those were fancy gun them with them love pose with, man, them have the whole of them there. Extra magazine. And one female squaddy. One. Make the man then turn fool. Turning us up. Remember the whole time Mr. Bean show? I said, man a turn all over the place. Jump in a car, man gone, car all crash. I saw only 87 them, I can't believe it. And then here's the worst part. The man them in their desperate bid for getaway. Again, from one female squaddy. The man them go lick up in the next car. But you hear this now, no? The car them lick up in the man them go open up on the car. The man them start shoot at the car, but them lick up in. Think about that for a second. Your favorite 87, your favorite bad man, who you look up to and idolize, had the chance for trade rounds with one female officer. And enough of them a carry rifle, they had bigger weapons, heavier caliber. They could have had a good, if them they want trade rounds, them could have trade rounds she all day long. But then take of themselves to the point of them turn fool all go crash, and then the driver they carry them crash up in. The people them with them lick up in, then go jump out and start shoot back here. You see how 87s operate? So the person who can defend themselves and who can shoot back, them take of themselves fast. But now them buck up in a smarty way. Oh look, we can manage this. Then can oh look, we find buck up on a weak fence. We could let out some rounds. That's their favorite 87. That's how them operate. That's how them get by them ego, because I guess they were feeling embarrassed after what happened to them. Telling all the time, if the Jamaican public could protect themselves, the Jamaican public, Jamaican citizens, the law-abiding people were better armed, 87s would think long and hard before them go on ups. They don't want a shootout, but your beloved leaders down at FLA and the government make it as hard as possible for people can defend themselves. One female squad they have now go on, so one? Strange, because when me and I talk on the corner, when I get big up in a song on the sound like some Rambo thing, like some, Sylvester Stallone thing. You would assume, say, 87s would be like, I would look at one squad I think you take and make sure how bad man operate, make sure badness. But no, we know your badness a joke thing. We know your badness are gimmicks. Your badness is against people who can't defend themselves. Isn't that right? Remember what happened when Stone Crusher and them peak? The peak. Right? Go for the Crichton men. How that turned out? Complete disaster. Yeah, bro. We get it. You have 30-40 dopey, but people who can't defend themselves. Or one of your fellow 87s that may catch off guard, but let's face it, you don't really want to smoke like that. You don't. So, Springmount, tents, Dam Road, tents, because people know so as usual, right? This not just done here, so, right? There's bound to be more foolishness, and even the same female squaddy, but then if she'll listen now, but you probably want to take with yourself, because this ego bruise, what them get, them a go on, defend it, them a go on. We can't go like this, because we must say, 87's operating. When something like this go down, when they go up and they can't, they're not tell nobody say, yo, so one officer make a turn fool and run up and down. They're not going to tell nobody that. They might make it sound like, see them buck up. Right? Remember time Rambo in Prime, Rambo 1, I said, they might make it sound like, say, she have one Gatling gun. They might tell you, say, yo, dog, I tell you, when I look, I see a red boat, 20 rifles in her hand them. And you say, but brother, one woman with 2 hands must have 20 rifles. Yo, I tell you, it's a science, my youth. A science. See, when I look at 20 rifles, I see that's why I run, dog. That's why I take myself. That's why I made up and look up in the man and crash, dog. A 20 rifle, man. Science, dog. A science share work. So 87 say when them can't explain their field operations. So that female officer, I would advise her to take care of herself, but everybody free to make their own decisions. Right? But just knowing 87s, they not like get embarrassed like this. Because the rest of man them by now are going to say a woman, one woman take them on. So now them are going to try to save look face. So female squaddy, you know if you do. Take with yourself in my opinion. Now, I'm going to show you a video clip. It speaks for itself. And again, big up my views. I don't know. Long time supporter. Long time. My views, TV reviews. Last year, them time when the whole of YouTube did a conspire plan up and I try to get out the movement. One of the few man message stand up board and I say, yo, right, PIA him thing there. Big up Sir P. I say, don't big up yourself, bro, anyway there. Right. But anybody who could have stand up in the heat, right, of that moment, right, and stand by and say, yo, nah, switch. Brother, you make out a stone. Big up yourself. Right, but I'm showing you the video. This is his work. I'm Mr. His work mean Theme team. Deliver this team. Right. Theme exclusive. Big up yourself, bro. Check out this clip. So as you can see, the man named La La Land, Snooze Land, Chilling Land, Phone Land, I don't know where them there. Dreamland. We talk about this. Two set of people if you get called out. Obviously the man them on the ground. Because this is beyond sloppy. This is beyond cartoon thing. The ground commander, whoever that person may be, needs to stand tall before the man. Heels together. Because somebody have to explain what going on. So this is beyond puppy show. Can't believe the man name look like this. Now I understand. You're bored and I'm going to talk about leadership. Right, but I understand the man them bored and them on the static post and then can't move. And everybody, 2021, everybody addicted to them phone, I understand. But this is beyond cartoon thing. This is beyond joke. This is completely unacceptable. Sitting ducks. Sitting ducks. Luckily for them, the average 87 don't really want no smoke like that. But this is completely unacceptable. JDF need to sort it out. Because most of them are JDF. There's always a police attached. In case you don't know, JDF can't really operate on the ground by themselves. You need to have a police officer there. So that's why you see like the police quality. But this is mostly on the JDF. This don't look good. This is embarrassing. Sort it out. Somebody have to answer for it, by the way. Somebody have to answer because this is, especially when it comes down to the military, the leadership, it's a big thing. The bad about you are the one private Simpson and the one private Smith. No. Who is the ground commander? You need to answer what going on. So get a grip of your men. Get a grip of your troops. This is ridiculous. Now with that said, let me talk about the leadership. I'm going to talk about the, not just, I'm going to talk about the sergeant and the captain and the major. And I'm going to talk about the people who actually make the decisions straight to the top. You see, this is what happens when you take soldiers and turn them in a puppy show. When you take military personnel and put them on static posts and start treat them like say, right? Then for those, stand up yourself, don't move, check ID, check this. This is what happens. Man get bored, now have nothing to do. Right? Here comes the idleness, here comes the temptation. We must have young youth, them a new generation, young youths, them addicted to them phone. Right? Them probably not supposed to have no phone on them, but you know phone thing already. Right? So next thing you hear, at first, the first couple of weeks, when them go there, them are go serious, but then after a while, them go, nothing go on. Alright. And look at my phone, I look at one thing, two thing, three thing. Next thing you know, man, I catch disease. Leadership need to make up their mind. You see, if you don't go take the JDF and do something with them, left them and them at up park camp. In the video about the dog park, you hear me mention it? This is what I was talking about, but at the time I didn't know my views thing. Let me say big up my views again. But if we not go use the JDF effectively, left the man them at up park camp. You can contract. You see, if you just want a man sit down on post and check ID when them walk through and search bag on them question, only can contract King Alarm or Archive or Guardsman to do that. You know, why do you have trained soldiers doing jobs we literally a chimp up at the zoo can do. Them take military personnel and reduce them to puppy show. See them guys and don't move. Check the idea. Look on this. Search that one bag. You think 87s with rifle like a walker when they forget search? I talk to the leadership now. Because of them give the orders now. Of them give the orders of them the structure. You think 87s are gonna walk through? You think 87s are go, oh, we wanna say checkpoint there? I'm gonna walk go on there 15 rifle in our bag now and get searched. You think that's how it work? This is why 87s can still operate in Mobile, West Kingston and all these places, because the checkpoints are static. So even though people use a soldier around there, they can't move. Now you have to understand, JDF operate under different rules of engagement than JCF. JCF can just drive up and down and go in and so on. As a matter of fact, a group of police officers can even just, alright, we could just go in and so on, act on their own accord. JDF don't really work like that. The rules that govern the military are stricter because, by right, in a country that is supposedly peaceful and not in any kind of war, soldier not really supposed to be on the ground. The fact that you see JDF on the ground is because they have to support JCF because the situation is that bad. So you want a signal to know when you're in a dangerous country. Anytime you see soldiers are walk up and down on the ground, you know you're in a serious country. Because that means that the military have to know and support the police. How it should be is police fight crime by themselves. But JCF have to get support by JDF. So that is why anytime you see JDF or walk up and down or a patrol, you'll always see at least one JCF officer. That's because by law, that JCF officer need to be there, and then technically the JDF will support that JCF officer and the JCF. Enough people don't know that. A team of JDF soldiers or even a platoon or whatever just can't take it up on themselves, so then go and run a Mobile or go and run a West Kingston. People always say, Sir, why the army not going so? Because they can't. Right? The JDF is governed by different rules. Now with that said, if it's a case where, you know what, them can't use them for do this, them can't use them for be more proactive, then as me say, left the man in my camp. Left the man in my camp, right? And then contract out bag searching or whatever, right, to a private company or whatever. Complete waste of talent. These youths are bored. Completely bored out of their minds. I'm pretty sure when they had the idea of becoming JDF, this is not what they had in mind, and some of them are probably JNSC more than likely, but again, nobody know in a static post. So yes, leave them on the ground, sloppy, need to be reprimanded, right? As me say, people have to answer for this. But when I understand, say, this needs to go straight to the top. The leadership needs to better utilize JDF personnel. You can't have so much place in Jamaica or so much of fire. And you can have an entire team of JDF personnel or drop asleep on roadside. I mean, it sounds like a joke, but a real life. It sounds like a joke. You have to just take bad things make joke here, man. How embarrassing. How embarrassing. Left the man in my camp. You see, not using the tools available, that's a sign of poor leadership. You have all these assets where you can deploy, and you can't find a, you know, the other way, JDF, what me tell you, say them take JDF and turn him in a puppy show. Even when it comes on to the whole big C thing, some of the role of them will have JDF personnel play in a big C, right? Gone out of airport, gone over here, so man, go contract that to Arkai or somebody, man. You have JDF personnel, a contract, or stand up in that airport, I do this, man, I check off this, I sign up this. Man, go give that to King Alarm or Guards, man, yeah, man. Nobody not join up the JDF for them Sunday. Never in history has somebody ever said, you know, say, boy, I go join the military because hopefully one day I can go stand up at the airport and check ID. Come on, people. Yes, we know that the military is usually deployed in times of emergencies. But you know what's a bigger emergency than standing up at airport and take off people's name and take down fighting 87s, bringing the smoke to 87s. We already see them can't manage one female squaddy. So them definitely can't manage one JDF soldier. This is embarrassing from top even to the lower ranks. And I need to sort it out. Somebody have to answer for this. You don't want to see the precedents. Not only that, you don't want 87s. If you go say, oh, I saw them slap people all the way here about black off post. I saw them. Alright, because let me tell you something. If I carry the fly pass and the 87s of them while shooting, because I know for them thing already, they might not catch everybody, but if I even one get it, they might go back on the gun and go brag, say, oh, just shut up a whole post full of JDF. And them stripe get bigger. Sort it out. Anyway. Patreon Squad, big up himself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.